Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back with a new video, and this is some content that I've never done before, but this is literally all I watch on YouTube these days. So I'm back with a clean with me video. Um so yeah, I'm cleaning up because that's what we do. That's what you're supposed to do. So yeah, clean with me. We're starting with the kitchen. The things on my counter are items that I got from the grocery store that's just accumulated over the last few days. Like, why is it still sitting on my counter, not, put away? So, we're getting that taken care of today because I'm tired of looking at it and I want my house to be clean. So, yeah, stick around. I'm going to speed some of these clips up so it's not too boring. But yeah, just sit back, relax, and watch me clean up.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now.
I just can't wash dishes without wearing gloves. Like, I need gloves because a lot of the times, like, I just don't want to get my hands wet. So gloves are a must, and they gotta be cute. These are pink, so why not? And we need a scrub daddy. We love our scrub daddy. He's cute. Scrub mommies are cute too, but like anything to make the cleaning process cuter, it's better, I promise. Also, I'm a wash then put in the dishwasher kind of girl. I don't know how people just put dishes in the dishwasher that they don't wash first, but then I also get people say, like, if you're just gonna wash them and put in the dishwasher, you might as well just wash them and hand wash them and set them to dry. But no, this is the pre-wash before like the wash in the dishwasher, because otherwise, are your dishes really clean?
Let me let you do. That's why I'm mine. To spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a billion. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Love is a one in a billion. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is a one in a billion. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love, your love goes on and on and on. You give me a really all day long. I'll give you.
And I wash my pots and pans last, and I don't typically put these in the dishwasher unless the dishwasher is empty and like it's space for it. But most of the time I'm using these like on the daily, so I hand wash them and dry them so I can use them the next day.
Anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything is so desired. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me, anything you
gonna clean our sink because it's been dishes sitting in it and ew. So yeah, washing our sink. I'm using this spray Dawn Power Wash. I love this stuff, but honestly, I don't use it on my dishes. You know, I just don't feel like it's dish soap. Maybe because it sprays out the way it does, but I like to use it to clean the sink. And then I use soap, Dawn soap, to wash the dishes. And then next, we're cleaning off our stove and our countertops because if you only wash the dishes when you clean the kitchen, are you really cleaning the kitchen? Because it's like steps. It's a whole process. Like when you clean the kitchen, you have to clean the whole entire kitchen. We not half-assing around here. Like there's nothing better than a clean kitchen. Clean counters at that. Like look at the difference already. She's a housewife who's ready to wife me up. She cooks. What did Miami say?
I
I
cook,
cook,
I
I
clean,
clean,
I
I.
fuck, I shut up.
Now, don't shut up, but you get the picture.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG.
And once that's done, you gotta light a candle. I love like food scented, so this Mary Maple pancakes smells like you're making pancakes. So now we're moving on to the living room. I'm just clearing away like packages. I have a try on haul I have to do, so I just move that stuff out the way. And now a quick message from our sponsor. So the pajamas that I'm wearing in this video are from Luvlette, which you can find on Shein or shoplovelette.com. So I'm showing you guys these really cute satin pajamas that I got. The first pair are like a leopard print, and this one is a black checker print. I got it because it had an L on it, and you know my name is Lakia, so I also got this really cute floral one, and all of these are in a size small as well. So I also have this really cute houndstooth print. I love the fit of all of them, but they don't have pockets, which is a bummer, but loved it so much. I got it in red as well. These pajamas I'm wearing on Christmas for sure. And then I got the shorts version of the long sleeve because why not? It has an L on it. I mean, do you blame me? And then the last thing I got is this robe, and everything I got is in a size small. And I also have a coupon code for you guys for 15% off, which is Lakiastar. And I'll also be sure to link them in the description box. But now that that's out the way, let's continue cleaning.
Right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just do on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. outside and that
right outside. PT, 2-time, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right. Gotta watch your time, 'cause it's flying right. 2-time, baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
So now we're vacuuming. These are one of those vacuums where you can like vacuum the hardwood floor and carpet. So no need to sweep. Just get your cute little vacuum out and vacuum the floor. But um this one I got from Walmart for like $100. I don't know the name off the top of my head, but I'll link it down below. I'll link all the products if you're interested. Well, I'll just link them anyway, um, in the description box for you guys. And then I always have to fluff these cushions because my dog sleeps on top of all my furniture. She sleeps on the tops of the couch. She sleeps on the tops of the pillows on this little chair. Like, she'll even climb up my pillows on my bed and sleep on top of my pillows. And I hate that. But yeah, so I'm just vacuuming the couch. There's like crumbs all in the creases, child. I don't know. Room spray? Yes, please. Thank you. This one is from Glade. Now this brand, like glass cleaner, is the best. It leaves no streaks and it smells so good, like Windex. No, 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 no.
I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must need a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had.
And I gotta feed my pooch and give her some water. She's so bougie, y'all. Like my dog, she don't eat any kind of dog food. Her favorite is Fresh Pet. And as you can see, she was hungry because she's greedy actually. And I know she's seen that I just cleaned this floor and look at her making a mess. I also have to feed my kid. And since I just washed the dishes, we are using paper products, okay? And we're eating leftovers, okay? His favorite is tacos. So tacos it is.
Something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me that. Tell me about that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it gets.
And I do let him eat in his room because why not? But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.